Hello, let's talk about rational exponent. Rational exponent happens when you have a fraction as your index. For instance, let's say you have 4 raised to the power of 1 half. In this case, we can refer to this exponent as a rational exponent. Or you have 4 raised to the power of 3 over 2. This is also a rational exponent. So if you come across a problem like this and you're trying to simplify or you're trying to solve the problem, just note that if a is raised to the power of 1 over n, it means that the denominator of this fraction, 1 over n, is going to serve as the order of the root, and the numerator stands for the power. This is also applicable when you have a raised to the power of m over n. The same thing. The denominator stands for the order of the root, while the numerator stands for the power, while you have the base in here, and then you have m. Now, how do we use this to solve problems? Take, for instance, you're trying to solve 4 raised to the power of 1 half. This is going to be equal to the root of 4, as 2 happens to be the degree of the root, and then 1 is the power. This equals to 2 raised to the power of 1, which is equal to 2. Next, if you have 27 raised to the power of 2/3, this equals to the cube root of 27 all squared. The cube root of 27 is 3. That is, what number do I have to multiply by itself 3 times to give me 27? That's 3. So 3 raised to the power of 2. This equals to 9. Lastly, if you have 64 raised to the power of negative 2/3, this as a negative, and then we know that the consequence of that is this is going to be 1 over 64 raised to the power of 2/3. That's equal to 1 over cube root of 64 all to the power of 2. The cube root of 64 is 4. So this is equal to 1 over 4 raised to the power of 2. That equals 1 over 16. Now that is how to solve problems that are related to rational exponent. It could be negative and it could be positive. As you've seen with 64 raised to the power negative 2/3, if you have a raised to the power of negative m over n, you can easily say that this is equal to 1 over the nth root of a all raised to the power of m. Before I end this video, I would love to say that the power can also stay under the radical sign. That is, a raised to the power of m over n can be written as a raised to the power of m this way. It can be written this way, right? But just note that the numerator of the rational exponent always stands as the power, while the n, which is the denominator, stands as the root. Thanks for watching.